Here is a beginner-level human resource manager quiz that covers workplace policies and compliance, conflict resolution and employee relations, and diversity and inclusion. Let's go. Question 1. What is the purpose of workplace policies in an organization? A. To establish guidelines for behavior, operations, and compliance. B. To create unnecessary rules for employees. C. To increase employee workload. And D. To limit employee career growth. Answer: to establish guidelines for behavior, operations, and compliance. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of a workplace policy? A. Ignoring employee misconduct. B. Code of conduct and attendance policy. C. Avoiding clear job expectations. And D. Limiting employee responsibilities without notice. Answer: Code of conduct and attendance policy. Question 3. Why is legal compliance important in HR management? A. To avoid employee development. B. To complicate company operations. C. To ensure the organization follows labor laws and protects employees. And D. To ignore workplace regulations. Answer: to ensure the organization follows labor laws and protects employees. Question 4. Which law protects employees from workplace discrimination? A. Increasing workplace conflicts. B. Ignoring workplace safety guidelines. C. Avoiding employee rights discussions. And D. Equal employment opportunity (EEO) laws. Answer: Equal employment opportunity (EEO) laws. Question 5. What is the first step in resolving workplace conflict? A. Identifying the issue and understanding both sides. B. Ignoring the situation. C. Escalating the problem immediately. And D. Taking sides without investigation. Answer: Identifying the issue and understanding both sides. Question 6. Which of the following helps prevent workplace conflicts? A. Limiting transparency in the workplace. B. Avoiding team discussions. C. Clear communication and conflict resolution training. And D. Encouraging employee isolation. Answer: Clear communication and conflict resolution training. Question 7. How should HR handle a conflict between employees? A. Delay addressing the issue. B. Ignore the conflict. C. Take sides without listening to both parties. And D. Mediate the issue and find a fair resolution. Answer: Mediate the issue and find a fair resolution. Question 8. What is an effective way to build positive employee relations? A. Encouraging collaboration and recognizing contributions. B. Limiting team engagement. C. Ignoring employee concerns. And D. Reducing career development opportunities. Answer: Encouraging collaboration and recognizing contributions. Question 9. Which of the following can improve employee relationships? A. Avoiding team-building activities. B. Open communication and feedback systems. C. Limiting workplace transparency. And D. Delaying conflict resolution. Open communication and feedback systems. Question 10. What is the benefit of having a diverse workforce? A. Creating communication barriers. B. Increased creativity, innovation and inclusivity. C. Limiting hiring opportunities. And D. Avoiding diverse talent pools. Answer: increased creativity, innovation and inclusivity. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which HR strategy promotes diversity and inclusion? A. Limiting leadership diversity. B. Avoiding equal opportunities. C. Implementing unbiased hiring practices. And D. Ignoring employee backgrounds. Answer: implementing unbiased hiring practices. Question 12. Why is an inclusive workplace important? A. It reduces collaboration. B. It discourages teamwork. C. It limits organizational growth. And D. It fosters employee satisfaction and engagement. Answer: it fosters employee satisfaction and engagement. Question 13. How can HR managers ensure fair treatment of employees? A. Enforcing anti-discrimination policies. B. Favouring certain groups over others. C. Ignoring diversity concerns. And D. Allowing biased hiring decisions. Answer: enforcing anti-discrimination policies. Question 14. Which practice supports an inclusive workplace culture? A. Restricting equal opportunity hiring. B. Avoiding cultural awareness initiatives. C. Ignoring employee feedback. And D. Providing diversity training and leadership programs. Answer: providing diversity training and leadership programs. Question 15. How can HR encourage employees to respect workplace diversity? A. Avoiding discussions on inclusivity. B. Limiting collaboration opportunities. C. Educating employees about different backgrounds and experiences. And D. Restricting workplace communication. Answer: educating employees about different backgrounds and experiences. Question 16. What should HR do if an employee reports discrimination? A. Ignore the report. B. Investigate the complaint promptly and fairly. C. Assume no action is needed. And D. Dismiss the employee's concern. Answer: investigate the complaint promptly and fairly. Question 17. What is a key component of a strong workplace compliance program? A. Regular training and policy enforcement. B. Ignoring legal updates. C. Avoiding documentation of rules. And D. Limiting employee access to policies. Answer: regular training and policy enforcement. Question 18. How can HR ensure compliance with workplace policies? A. Limiting awareness of workplace regulations. B. Avoiding policy updates. C. Regular audits and employee training. And D. Ignoring employee concerns. Answer: regular audits and employee training. Question 19. What is a key factor in resolving conflicts fairly? A. Avoiding conflict resolution policies. B. Ignoring one side of the issue. C. Taking immediate disciplinary action without discussion. And D. Maintaining neutrality and listening to all parties. Answer: maintaining neutrality and listening to all parties. Question 20. Which approach ensures a diverse and inclusive hiring process? A. Eliminating bias and considering diverse candidates. B. Hiring based on personal preferences. C. Avoiding diverse talent pools. And D. Ignoring fair hiring practices. Answer: eliminating bias and considering diverse candidates. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.